Hello guys, my name is Yogesh Gupta and welcome to my Exchange Server tutorials. And in this tutorial, that is second tutorial, I'll be showing you what exactly is Edge role in your Exchange Server and what is its function, and we'll be implementing some of its aspects. So let me show you a diagram here. So basically this is what your Edge server does. Internet comes up with mails sent to the mailbox. But however, if it's directly accessible by the internet, then there's a high chance that it can be hacked and the security is low. So here edge role comes into picture where it acts as a middleman agent. Thereby it receives the mails from internet and redirects it via proxy to your mailbox server, thereby implementing a security in your infra. Also note that these two server roles cannot be on the same server. For instance, if you are installing a mailbox server role on a server, then you cannot install the Edge service on that server and vice versa. So guys, let's get down with the implementation part. As you can see, this is my Exchange server with the mailbox role. Apart from that, we'll also create a virtual machine that will be hosting the Edge role. And for the time being, I have just installed the operating system and we'll just get started with its configuration. So guys, in this new virtual machine, first let's try pinging our Exchange server mailbox role 1, and I can see that it's getting successfully pinged. As you can see, we have added our domain and I'll click on OK. Once again OK. And just like adding the machine to domain, it will take a restart. So I'll pause the video for time being. Now as you can see, the machine is a part of workgroup. However, it is with the domain suffix, that is tech.local. So now the machine has been restarted. Now I'll go to manage, add roles and features. Next, remote based off, feature based installation. Once again I'll click on next, and here I'll have to install LDAP services, which is a requirement for the same, and I'll click on add features, next, and next, and I'll install. Now note that this is going to take some time, so I'll pause the video for timing. Note, the reason why we installed the LDAP feature is because Edge requires some part of the information in context to domain. However, the Edge is the security feature and it does not need full features of the Active Directory. Hence, only LDAP is basically used for querying the minimal objects that it requires to complete its task. So once we are done with this, we'll click on close. So guys, once we are done with installing the LDAP services, now we'll run the Exchange setup. This is the same setup that I have used for installing the mailbox role. So once you are done, if you want to check for updates, you can, but I won't as of now. Now this will take some time, so I'll pause the video for timing. Now this is the second splash screen post the wizard loads, and here it's just giving an introduction, so I'll click on next. And then we have end user license agreement as usual. We'll click on next. Here it depends on you. As of now I won't go for recommended settings. However, in case if it's a production environment, you may select use recommended settings. Now this is the main part which differs in mailbox and edge role. In case if I select mailbox, I won't be able to select the edge role. Like I said, on a server only one of any roles can be installed. So for this I'll be selecting edge transport role, and I'll click automatically install Windows Server roles so that it can fulfill all the dependencies required by this role. And I'll click on next, and it's showing me the path where it will get installed, and I'll click on next, and we can see that it's starting for installation. Note that this can take some time, so I'll pause the video for timing. Once you are done with the requirement phase, then you can click on next and the setup will progress for its installation. As this will take some time, I'll pause the video for timing. Now once you are done with the setup, you will get a success message as this. This means that your Edge role has been successfully installed but not yet functional. For making it functional, we'll have to create a Edge subscription For that, we'll be looking the same in another video. So if you like my video, please share it and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.